Locals and tourists alike enjoy our beaches from sun up to sundown, and sometimes well into the night. If you've made your way to the beach after dark, you're sure to see bonfires along the shore. The city says that's legal, as long as the hole for the fire doesn't exceed 3 feet in depth and diameter. But there are other things to keep in mind.
We typically expect people before they leave that fire that they're going to make sure all those coals are extinguished and there are no hot coals, and they backfill that fire pit back in before they leave.
Nueces County Coastal Parks Director Scott Cross says even after the fire is extinguished, there still may be danger for those on the beach the following day.
And I've seen this happen more than once, where little kids running down the beach and runs over that little fire pit area because it doesn't have enough sand on it and just burns the heck out of the bottom of their feet. I've seen it happen to adults before.
Cross said that coals that aren't properly extinguished can smolder for hours after the original attempt was made to put them out. And that's where beachgoers should be careful.
Some kids running on the beach, it's a free-for-all for them, and it should be, and they're not looking for something like that. You know, it can make a good day go bad real quick.
Frequent beachgoer Jaden Diaz said that hot coals aren't the only thing people should be worrying about when it comes to bonfires. Nails left by people burning wooden pallets can also cause harm.
I myself personally have actually stepped on a set of rusted nails while walking my dog. People will just burn pallets and there's, you know, all the nails in them, and they don't bother taking them out.
Despite some people not being courteous of the shared space, Cross says he's seen improvement among the cleanliness of our beaches.
People are starting to leave things the way they found it, so they get out there to see a clean beach, they take the initiative to leave it a clean beach.
Madeline Salinas, 3 News.
All right, Madeline, thank you so much.